All right, here we go. I'm really excited because this is a brand new activity. And this time, you are not going to use dry erase board and markers. You get to use a worksheet, this worksheet that I have right here, and you get to use a pencil. Let me grab my pencil right here. And you also get to use a marker. So in the tub next to you, there are markers. I want you to choose one color and only one. You don't get to switch. So grab one marker. Here we go. Kindergarten, I want you to touch that first word. What word? Yes, that word is. It's the new word is. Let's spell is. Here we go. I-S spells yes, is. Wow, Mrs. Joff has some crazy hair today. So sorry about that. Let's trace the word is. From the clothesline to the ground, pick it up, give it a dot. Make your S touch the clothesline and the ground. Perfect. Up at the top, it says stamp. We're not going to use a stamp, but we are going to use our marker. And so I'm going to write is with my marker. Do it with me. I-S. That's how we write is. Then I'm going to go back to my pencil. And let's write is with our pencil. In the first box, we're going to write our I. There's the I. And in the second box, we're going to write what letter? Yes, we're going to write S. Okay, I'm going to give you just a couple seconds to finish that up. And as you're writing, I'm going to prep with my next word. If you wrote is 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you're ready for the next word. Let's get our pencil ready because the first part is with our pencil. First, let's read the word. Everybody, what word? Yes, little. Spell little. Here we go. L-I-T-T-L-E. That's how we spell little. Let's trace the word little. Spell it as you write it. L from the sky to the ground. Great job. I from the clothesline to the ground and then give it a dot. T from above the clothesline to the ground, then cross up the clothesline. T from above the clothesline to the ground and then cross up the clothesline. And then another L from the sky to the ground, pick it up. Our E is the tricky one. We start in the middle, underneath that clothesline. We go over, up to the clothesline, around to the ground, and stop. Remember, don't close it. You don't want to keep going until you get up to that spot. Next, the marker. And Mrs. Jolliffe chose pink because that's my favorite color, but you can have whatever color you want. Let's spell it as we write it. Here we go. L-I-T-T-L-E. Spells what word? Yes, little. Then I go back to my pencil and we write it again. Here we go. L-I-T-T-L-E. Remember, one letter goes in each box. Don't forget, one letter goes in each box. Next word. Everybody, what word? Yes, and. Spell and. Ready, go. A-N-D. Spells what word? Yes, and. Got my pencil ready. We're going to trace the word and as we spell it. Here we go. A, we make a C and then close it. N, stem, pick it up, give it a candy cane. And a D. First we start at the sky, we come to the ground, pick it up, and then we make a C. Kind of looks like a tummy or a diaper, diaper. Okay, and then we get our marker. Here we go. Make a C and close it. There's A. Make a stem, pick it up, give it a candy cane. There's N. Make a tall stem, give it a tummy or a diaper. And there's your D. Back to our pencil. Spell it as we write it. Here we go. A, N, D. Way to go. All right, so let's touch the next word. Everybody, what word? Yes, go. Spell go. G-O spells go. Let me get our pencil ready. Make a C. Remember that C touches the clothesline and the ground. And then give it a tail. The tail, you start at the clothesline, you go straight down, and then you curve at the bottom. G-O spells go. Nice tracing. Next with our marker, here we go. G, and I'm going to let my G hang below a little bit. If it goes below out of that box, that's great because it gets to go in the basement. G-O spells go. One more time with our pencils in those boxes, in those sound boxes. Here we go. G-O spells go. I know I might be going too fast. If I am, you can always pause. Let's go to the next word. Here we go. Everybody, what word? C. We know that word really well. Let's spell C. Here we go. S-E-E spells C. Now let's write it. Starting under the clothesline, make an S. That touches the ground and stop. We're going to go to the middle, go over, up, and around. Let's do it again. Over, up, and around. Those E's are pretty fun. Let's use our marker to write C. S-E-E spells C. I can see you're working really hard. C. These are all three short boxes. That means we don't have a tall sound this time. So let's write the word C in our sound boxes. S-E-E spells C. All right, down to the last word. Great job today. Everyone, what word? Yes, R. Spell R. A-R-E spells R. Let's write R with our pencil. Make a C, pick it up, and close it. Make the R. Goes from the clothesline to the ground, pick it up, and give it a hook. Last one. Under the clothesline, we're going to go over, up to the clothesline, around to the ground, and stop. The best part, the marker. You guys are always so excited about markers. Here we go. A-R-E spells R. You are doing great. R. Last one. Make a C and close it for the letter A. R, a stem and a hook. And E, over, up, and around. I cannot wait to see how beautiful your handwriting looks on this paper. We would hate to use those naughty words in kindergarten starting over. We don't want to use those words that we don't like in kindergarten. So do your best the first time. Can't wait to see how well you did. We'll see you next time.